Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. So this one's called ClubKing. So we're going to be doing 2 9-minute rounds, okay, with a 2-minute rest in between those 2 9-minute rounds. So it's essentially going to be a flow workout where one exercise sequentially flows into the next one. This is a longer flow workout, so there's quite a few exercises here. So if you don't get all the exercises in one go, just break it down into 4 or 5 exercises, and then each time you do this workout, just try and add on one additional workout, one additional exercise. Something that I find quite helpful if I'm performing these types of workouts is if you've got a whiteboard in front of you, you can just write down the exercises, and then that way you're not trying to remember it, you can just read straight off the whiteboard. Okay, so just getting into the exercises now. I'm just going to start with a lighter club, and then I'll go through the demonstration with a heavier club after. All right, so I'm going to go through a little bit quicker with these exercises now. If these are exercises that we've done already throughout the program, I'm just going to give 2 or 3 of the main pointers. But if there's any new exercises that we come across going through these workouts, then I'll do a full explanation. But we're about a third of the way through the program now, so if there's an exercise that we've done a few times already, you should be able to master that exercise pretty quick. I'll just give you a few cues. All right, so we're just going to go 1 rep of each exercise. So we're going to start off with our shoulder cast. Wrist is neutral, shoulder down and packed down, elbow tucked in nice and tight. Put in that back pocket, and then ripping down from the lat, put it back down from the elbow, back into that starting position. Okay, so once we've done our shoulder cast, we're going to go into a mill, into a side swipe. So it's almost one movement. So we do our mill, into a side swipe. So with the side swipe, as we're catching it, we're going to rotate our thoracic to face it, keep that elbow tucked in nice and tight still, and then rip down from the lat, pull down from the elbow, straight across the body into an inside clean. So it's almost like it's one type of movement from now. From here, we're going to go our shoulder cast. So our arm is pointing out 45 degrees. Okay, so we're starting in that order position there, but it's 45 degrees out from the body, and then put it in the back pocket again, bring it back out to 45 degrees. Okay, so that's our shoulder cast, advanced shoulder cast out from the body, nice straight line all the way through. Try and get it up shoulder height if you can, bringing it back into that order position. We're going to pivot that back foot, rotate the hip, drive it up into a rotational torch press, bring it back into that order position, rotate the feet, rotate the hips, go on the other side, and then from there we're going to go into our bullwhip, into a swipe. So we do our bullwhip, cast away from the body, round the head, halo it, straight into a swipe. Keep that elbow nice and tight, pull down from the lat, pull down from the elbow, straight down again. Shoulder clean, straight up onto the shoulder, into a squat, and then we're going to get the second hand across, reverse lunge, and then press. So once you've done it on one side of the body, so if I did it starting on my right hand side, then we just change sides, do it on the left side. So you're going to do as many sets as you can, going from right hand to left hand in the 9 minutes, take a 2-minute rest, and then get another 9-minute round in. If you need to rest during that 9 minutes, that's fine, just rest whenever you need to, and then just get straight back into the workout. All right guys, I'm going to go through that now in one go. Just going to use the heavier weight this time. We're going to put it together now. So we're going to start off just in that order position. So shoulder cast, mill, side swipe, inside clean, and then from there, shoulder cast, advanced shoulder cast, bring it straight back in. Rotational torch press, just pivot this back foot, pivot the hip, drive it up, pivot off the other side, drive it up, bring it back in, get square again, and then from there, we're going to go a bullwhip, straight into a swipe, straight into a shoulder clean, and then from there, stepping back into a reverse lunge, and then press. All right guys, that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoy. So it's a flow workout, 1 rep of each exercise, power through as many sets as you can in each 9-minute round. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.